welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to Sumilon Island Beach Resort and atong may bayan kung unsa ang new processes, kung unsa lang new policies, some new normal. So join me! Hello everyone, so padulong kami sa Sumilon Island. And then, musakay niya na nga pambot sa unahan. And then, yeah. After Ana, it's actually just 20-minute ride or 15 to 20-minute ride before we maabot ni sa Sumilon Island. So, see you there!
Hi, good morning. I'm Arnold from Bluewater Sumilon. I'm here to explain to you a little bit about our health protocols and how we can best protect you from all other infections that you might get while you're at the island. Prior to your arrival on the island, you may have noticed that we have taken your temperature as well as asked you to go through the steps that we normally take for every visitor that comes. We usually ask you to have your hands washed as soon as your thermal scan has been done, and you'll notice that you pass over the foot wash, which is a requirement. After you've had your hands washed, you sanitize with either alcohol or alcohol gel. Choice is up to you. Once you've passed the decontamination stage, that's when we invite you to go through our transportation, which is the pump boat. On the pump boat, you will have noticed also there are alcohol dispensers as well as another foot wash. And before you board our pump boats, you are required actually to have a face shield and a face mask. We ask you before you enter the buffet area as well to sanitize your hands once again. When you reach the area where the food will be served to you, you will notice that there are acrylic barriers. The acrylic barriers are protection for the other guests so that there will be no fluids or liquids that will reach the food, guaranteeing that you'll be safe for all of these areas. And then you can go back to your table once you've gotten your food or once the order has been served. You will notice also that with the strict implementation of our staff to be always with face shields and face masks. And while you may relax a little bit, our staff do not relax in that aspect. We want to make sure that you are always safe at all times. Hopefully throughout the entire day, while people are enjoying, you know that it's normal in an open area like this, the chances of having a viral infection is very minimal because of the constant sea breeze, the sun, of course, which normally kills the viruses as well, and other bacteria. So this is more or less a safe place, safe haven, so long as you follow our protocols. And having said that, we're glad that you're aboard. We're glad that for you. We hope that you can see us as often as you wish. This is a good idea for you to have be away from home. I'm sure that a lot of you have been stranded at home for such a long time. And this is a safe place for you. As with all the others, we've never had any record of any contamination of any of our guests so far. Should you have any further questions, you will notice that we will provide you with the numbers where you can get in touch with us for further information about health protocols. Other than that, hope to see you soon in the future, and you're more than welcome to join us here at Sumilon. Thank you.
Hi everyone! So currently, naanami na sa Sumilon. So ako sa ningjang tangon kay ako raman isa. So we are here on Sumilon Island, and then what we can do here is just to enjoy, and of course, pwede ka mag-picture taking, kayaking, snorkeling, and then swimming pool. Duhay lang swimming pool, pwede siya sa taas, napod siya diri sa silong, and then mostly sa silong is mga kids. And they also have lifeguards para bantayan ang mga kids. And then what else? Kanang pwede na ka magsuroy-suroy, and then they have kanang murag sakyanan nga pwede nimo sakyan. Then yeah, so yun yung mga usang ang Tibok Island. So karon magkuan na mi mag-kayak, mag-try me og kayak with Tiyong and Donkey. So let's go ahead, let's try. Bili na mo sleepers dire. And then I do to ay mag-kayak me. So I am with Michael. So, oh my god! Hello! Hello, Michael! Sige go! So mag-try me. Dapat balance lang.
Kinibigas.
Alright. So here, init kay mom! Go! Go! Hala! So, say awa.
Ano ba tulong ba yun?
So, awa ako. Wala na sa tuwa-tuwa, guys. Charat! And then, dapat go, Michael! Laban lang! Nakita na to ang background. Nice kayo. Oh, lagoon.
Ano ba tulong?
Pwede niya ka lagoon. Kani siya lagoon. Kani lagoon. Uy, Michael! Dapat ka sa... Dili. Hi everyone! We're going back to the mainland. And then, kumanamig sa resort or picture taking sa Sumilon. So, here, muna siyang Sumilon Island. Thank you so much, Sumilon! And if ever you're new to my channel, please click subscribe and don't forget to push the notification button, the notification bell. Thank you so much!
We started something, gonna tell the world again. Oh, you're so beautiful, I just can't hold it in. I think we started something, I hope it never ends. I hope it never ends. Don't tell me that the good old days are over. We're two hearts running wild. We don't have to burn out in the fire.